excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got yet another site that you can use to make a little bit of side income. And the site that I'm going to show you will not make you rich, but it will help you to test the waters as you learn how to harness the power of the internet to make money and even a full-time income. Right. So before I reveal the details, let me just remind you that my channel is all about making money. I make videos that show people how to make money using the power of the internet. And if it is your desire to learn how to harness the power of the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Okay, right, the website which I'm talking about is called Remote Tasks. Make money doing tasks. Start earning from home today. You sign up right there, okay? And you scroll down. How it works: you take images, you transcribe audio, you moderate content. We have many interesting tasks for you to do. English fluency is the only requirement, okay? Right, you sign up, just connect with your Facebook account, right? And then you sign up right there, right? Get certified in all sorts of task categories. Do tasks in categories you have unlocked. Earn money and get paid weekly with PayPal, right? So if you don't have a PayPal account, my friend, I would just go to paypal.com and sign up for a free personal account, okay? And then you are good to go. We have a wide variety of tasks. These are just a few examples. Most focus on providing human insight into text, video, and images, all right? So here you'll be doing image annotation. You draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where, okay? So you'll be just going with your mouse, right? Drawing boundaries around the object. Because you see, the robots, the artificial intelligent machines, those ones, they cannot determine whether this is a car, this is a human being, this is a tree, or what. So all what you're doing is to just draw some boundaries, therefore helping the artificial intelligence to identify the object. So you'll be doing also categorization. Help identify keywords that describe images, what's in an image, okay? So like here we've got a coat, and you just put some keywords right there. A coat, it's a blue coat, right? Is it white? It's not white. Buttons in front, right? And you put some more keywords, and that's it, right? And then you go image transcription. Transcribe important content from an image, right? So that's what you'll be doing right there. And you go on comparison. Draw bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what's where, all right? So that's what you'll be doing. You'll be comparing, okay, that's a white, kind of white, yellow, brown, whatever, cream bicycle with a rack in front, okay, with a carrier or a basket, right? And then with white wheels, right? And white handles and white saddle, right? Then you've got there another bicycle with no carrier basket, with no mudguard, right? With black tires, black saddle, black handles, and it's grayish in color, right? So you'll be comparing objects like that. Then you do audio transcriptions, right? With these transcriptions, my friend, audio transcriptions, it means you're just listening to an audio file and then you put it into text, all right? And and that's it. But you see, I've got another cool hack that you can use right here for audio transcriptions. What you do is you upload the audio file onto your YouTube channel, and YouTube can transcribe the file for you. Right, let me show you right here. This is my channel, my friend, and we want to see how this video of mine has been transcribed by YouTube. All right, so you see after save right there, you see the three dots. You click the three dots, and then you click open transcript. You see everything that I said or I am saying in that video, it's already transcribed. It's already in print. So what you do is you just copy that and you paste it on Google Docs, right? So then you can proofread it, and then you can straighten out all the grammar and everything, right? There are other tools that you can use to correct the grammar, but we don't have time for that, right? So that's how you can do the audio transcriptions, right? You upload the audio transcriptions on YouTube in private. You put it on private. You don't put it on public, but in private. I know that people hate this one because it takes a little bit of time, okay? But you can use that hack and you can make money. All right, so look at the community right here. Join a vibrant community of people using remote tasks to achieve their dreams together. All right, we've got Clark, we've got that one, Carlos, Daniel, and now we're going to look at some of the frequently asked questions. Where do the tasks come from? All right, so we work with multiple companies from small startups to public companies. Some examples include self-driving car companies, t-shirt startups. They've trusted us and you with completing these tasks, okay? So you can check some more questions and some more answers right there. How do we earn? You are paid per accepted task. The amount paid will vary depending on task complexity. We'll pay you via PayPal, okay? That's why I urged you to to sign up for a free PayPal account if you don't have one. So please make sure that you have a valid PayPal email in your account before Monday, right? Because they pay you every Friday, okay? Will I really get paid? We have thousands of taskers working on our platform that get paid every week. If you'd like to connect with one of them, let us know. All right. So these are the questions and the answers that can help you as you sign up for this. Okay. Start earning from home today, and then you sign up. And how much can you expect to earn roughly? Right. You are looking at $1 to $2 per hour. This is not going to make you rich, but it's a good way to test the waters, okay, of making money online, right? But like I said, stick with me. At the end, I'm going to introduce to you a system that can work for you 24/7 on AutoPilot, all right? So this is active income that you are generating right here, my friend, all right? So it means you have to do certain tasks. If you stop doing the tasks right here, your money goes down to zero. You will not get anything, right? But my friend, with the internet right now, this is why it is important to educate ourselves on how the internet works, that money can be made in a passive way, right? You can set up a business that goes to work for you 24/7, 365, right? And you can make that money whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are doing some more important things of life, spending quality time with your family, with your husband, with your wife, with your kids, right? Or traveling to those remote places, the beaches and some good places which you longed to travel to from a long time ago. Okay, so in the description, I've got a link that can give you more detail on what I'm talking about. The link says my #1 recommendation to make money online on AutoPilot. Right? As you click the link, right, you'll be introduced to an advisor. And they can teach you how to build this AutoPilot business. If you cannot do these tasks for whatever reason, maybe your country, it's not acceptable, right? Let me know in the comments so that I can make a video or videos that will include your country. Okay, so if you have found value in this video, my friend, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next videos. Bye for now.